Where is he? Where is that coward? King! King, where are you, coward? Sending this small fries after me. You bloody coward!
Well done. Jima. Well done. You made me shoot my own guy.
We all know you love a dramatic entrance, don't you?
You sabi? I warned you. Didn't I? I swore I was going to make you pay. Who is the real king now?
You are not my king, you coward. You can't even touch me. You can't kill me.
Those are members of your gang. And soon, you shall be with them. Oh, but yours will be slow and painful.
How dare you? How dare you?
I'm the king of the night howlers. You and your black eagle dare chop the edge of a sword with your bare hands. You must bleed for it.
So you think you can hand the black eagles? I would love to see you try. Ojo. Kaboom! Your plan worked. Ganja, you are late.
They fell for the plan and thought it was the police. We gunned down a few of them, guarding this place. King and the rest have absconded, but our men have pursued them into the bush.
Good. Untie me.
Yes, Capo.
Nice work, Ganja.
Thank you, Capo.
Now we gather the rest of our men and we hunt them down. No single night owler must live to see the sun rise.
Yes, Capo.
Now we find them and we hunt. Let's go.
Yes, Capo.
Joshua. Why are you determined to be so stubborn? I have spoken with you. I prayed for you. But you just don't want this change.
You're right, Mom. I don't want it. Mom, remember why you became born again a year ago? You said you were not going to force your ways down our throat. You also said you wanted us to experience God at our own pace. So why the pressure? Mom, I'm in my final year in medicine. But have you ever heard that I committed a crime? Have I ever been reported for behaving badly? Have I not been a good son to you even before you found this new way of life? So please. And besides, you already won over my sister Hilary. So Mom, please let me enjoy my life. Let me live my life. Please.
Love me, hate me, I will keep telling you the truth. I pray it's not too late before you realize all this.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
Good evening.
Yes.
My name is Blessing. This is Tunde. And this is Amaka. We have a message for you.
What's that?
Eh?